Understanding the difference that every business leader should know. By the end of this scene, viewers will understand the fundamental difference between traditional software and artificial intelligence. Develop a strategic mindset for selecting the right technology. We've just explored how artificial intelligence evolved over the last several decades. But here's an important question. If businesses have been using software for decades, why do we suddenly need artificial intelligence? After all, software already manages payroll, processes invoices, tracks inventory, stores customer information. So, what's actually different? The answer is surprisingly simple. Traditional software follows instructions. Artificial intelligence learns patterns. And that single difference changes everything. Think of traditional software like a calculator. If you type 2 plus 2, it will always return 4, exactly, every time. It never learns, it never adapts. It only follows the instructions its developers have already programmed. Artificial intelligence works differently. Instead of following only predefined rules, AI learns from examples. It identifies relationships, recognizes patterns, makes predictions, and improves through continuous analysis of new information. Traditional software can calculate today's total sales, it can print invoices, update inventory, generate receipts. Everything works exactly as programmed. Inventory updates. Now imagine adding artificial intelligence. Instead of simply recording sales, AI notices something interesting. Sales of umbrellas increase whenever heavy rain is forecast. Customer purchases also rise on Friday evenings. Certain products are frequently purchased together. Without anyone programming those specific rules, AI identifies these patterns automatically. It then recommends increasing umbrella inventory before rainy weekends. That's intelligence. Let's look at another example. Imagine you receive 1,000 customer emails every day. Traditional software can store those emails, sort them alphabetically, move them into folders, search for keywords. Useful? Absolutely. But artificial intelligence can do much more. It can understand customer sentiment, detect urgency, summarize conversations, identify common complaints, suggest responses, even recommend business improvements. That's a completely different level of capability. A manufacturing company installs sensors on every production machine. Traditional software displays equipment temperature, pressure, speed, operating hours. Engineers still monitor the data manually. Now, the company introduces artificial intelligence. The AI detects subtle vibration changes weeks before equipment failure. It alerts engineers. Maintenance is scheduled early. Unexpected downtime is avoided. The result? Lower maintenance costs, higher productivity, improved safety, machine operating normally. AI identifies hidden anomaly, alert notification, maintenance team responds, production continues uninterrupted. Notice something important. The sensors didn't change, the machines didn't change, the factory didn't change. What changed was the intelligence behind the analysis. Let's do a quick exercise. Imagine you're running a hospital. Which technology would you choose? Recording patient appointments? Predicting patients at risk of readmission? Payroll calculations? Detecting abnormalities in medical images? Can you see the pattern? The two technologies are not competitors. They work best together. One of the biggest mistakes organizations make is trying to replace every system with artificial intelligence. Successful businesses don't do that. Instead, they combine reliable software systems with intelligent AI capabilities. Traditional software provides structure. Artificial intelligence provides insight. Together, they create smarter organizations. Here's today's question for you. Think about your own workplace. Which task follows the same rules every day? And which task requires judgment, prediction, or analysis? Write your answers in the comments. I'd love to see how you identify opportunities for AI in your own organization. Artificial intelligence learns patterns, predicts outcomes, supports decisions. Now you understand the difference between traditional software and artificial intelligence. But here's something fascinating. Many people believe they don't use AI in their daily lives. The reality is very different. From the moment you wake up until you go to bed, artificial intelligence is already working around you, often without you even noticing it. If you found today's lesson valuable, please support the NS Top Tech. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Share it with your colleagues, friends.